Hey guys, welcome to another video. Remember I told you I ordered the shelf for my grill? Well, it's here. This is one. I have another one inside. And this is what the old one looked like. That's why I said I'll never cook on it. So for Thanksgiving, somebody in Atlanta ordered a whole tray of jerk chicken. So I know it's more than a whole tray, but I have my chicken seasoned up. Today is Wednesday. It's been seasoned since Monday in the fridge, and I'm ready to put it on the grill. And I'm gonna bring you fellas along with me. Stay tuned. Okay, this is it. It's now 2:30. Hopefully by 4 o'clock, 4:30 it's finished. Because doing it nice and slow, fire low, and I'll keep you guys updated. I have it on the low fire. On this side, I have no fire, so basically I'm going to take them off, put on this side, and just let them steam down. I'm going to let these 3 pieces stay on there a little bit more over the fire. Everything's over here, all done. And when I cut them up, I'll show you guys what's going on. Thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned.